Why do you love me?
There is no reason to love as far as I'm concerned. And I love you, that's all.
That poor thing can never get married to my daughter.
Shut up, your mouth! Shut up, woman! Just shut up! Chief, this matter is closed.
Please, I want you to leave Inena for me because I love her so much.
Could you believe that Emmanuel talked to Inena refused?
So is that why you stopped me here? What are you looking for?
I came to check on Neno.
What is this you are wearing? Oh, Chimo! Hey! Hello! Sir! What is this?
Mama, you won't believe. The other day, I saw Inena giving Ikenna your money.
Ikenna,
Sir.
are you alright?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
If you were not my mother, Mama, I would have slapped you.
Slap me! How dare you! You say you slap me.
What isn't about you?
Shut up! Don't talk when I'm still talking. Go and make money. Make money like your mate and leave this young girl alone. Ezina is enough.
Julia, what's the problem?
You can arrest me.
But I know that by the special grace of God that you will succeed.
Amen.
Jesus' name.
What if you are given the opportunity to work as an accountant in this country? How will you be able to manage it from people on targets?
Ikenna have been gossiping and spreading news all over this village. Broadcasting my name that I'm a ritualist. Almost Ikenna. Hey, call the corporation. Network.
Ikenna.
Let's go. Oh, that was a carry one.